Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I'm starting off a little different. I'm starting off at the ends instead of the beginning. Welcome to Friday with Friends. Hopefully you've seen Tiffany Ramin pouring together with Lance Travis and Cynthia Porter Studios. And coming up after me will be Nate Bright Art. Let me get right on with it. And as you see, I am painting my my canvas, and that canvas is being painted in a time lapse, and all the information will be down below and also in a screen up ahead. This is also in time lapse, and this is at the ends of the video, and this shows when I'm doing my gold leaf, and you'll see some of that too as we get along in the video. Just wanted to give you a little of that information, and here we are. Okay, we have a 12 by 16 gallery wrap canvas, and all of the supplies that I'm using today are all listed on the right, and are all in this little portion of the video. Whatever you see X'd out there, I never used. What I'm using here is some texture paste. And I have been in mixed media, and I've done cards for years. So I had this for quite some time. I don't even believe that they make this anymore. This was from Heidi Swap, and this was a gold metallic texture paste. And that's what I used in this video here. I'm just flattening that out a little bit. And now I'm forming that infinity sign that you did see in the beginning of the video. So this isn't a perfect infinity sign, as you'll see. This is the first time I've done an abstract art like this. I haven't done anything like this before. So be kind in your comments. But I would love for you to comment below. I do want to know what you think of this. I was not. When I started out with this, I thought I was gonna make a few mountains in here, but when I put that texture paste down, I decided something totally different. As you see now, I'm coming in with the catalyst wedge, and yeah, and I continue making that infinity sign. I wanted to get some nice texture in here. And I used that a few times. This is speeded up a little bit. Not too much, just 2 times. I really did enjoy. I enjoyed this for a change. Spreading that out and trying to thin it out a little bit. Just looking, every time I lift it up, I'm just trying to look down to see how thick that is. Now I have this spray also. I've had it for quite a while. It's a metallic spray, and it has acrylic paint in there. That was also by Heidi Swap. And then I decide to spray that on. And I thought I would leave some drips. I thought that would look pretty nice. But after the fact of the drips, after I let it drip down, I decided I didn't like it. Another little tidbit of information about the infinity sign. It represents everlasting love, and that's why it's nice to give someone an infinity sign. It shows them how much you care about them, how much you love them, and how much you value them and want to be with them forever. And there comes a time where I do lose my footage. I thought I paused the camera and then I thought I put it back on, but what happened was I never turned it back on. So when I did put the black distress paint on here, I sprayed that on. That is not caught on film, and I apologize for that up front. I'll apologize right now. As a matter of fact, I was on the phone with two friends, and they can vouch for me because they heard me spraying it, and then they heard me scream when I said that my camera was not on. So I was really very annoyed at myself. And I did it more than once. I did that more than once on this painting. Turning it off when I thought I was turning it on. Here I have some, it's called glitter glass. And it's very fine glass that's broken up. And I put that over over this, and it really looks beautiful. Oh gosh, it brought it out. It looks just so stunning. Really did. Gave it some nice bling there. And then I think I'm done. I feel like I'm a little done. So that's stage one. So what I do after this, which is off camera, is I then take myself in stage two. That's when I put on the, I put on that black distress, it's distress spray stain. I spray that on. And then I also spray more of that gold. And I also use the catalyst wedge along the edges. And that is on the left-hand side. And then, oh, I do so much here. Yeah, on the right-hand side was where you saw all the gold leaf. Now this is where I fix the little bit of gold leaf that came off, and this is a Zig Kuretake glue pen, and that's what I use on all of my gold leaf. I put the gold leaf on with this pen, and you just push down on that and the glue comes out. It's a very thin glue, like watery. I used to use this glue when I made my cards. and it dries like really fast. So you put the gold leaf right on top of that, and 1, 2, 3, and this is like really done. So now I get my little brush and I brush that out, brush that off, and that's it. That's how quick the gold leaf takes. I mean, it is 1, 2, 3, and you're done. And this is the end of my abstract art for this week. I hope you enjoyed our Friday night with friends. We still have one more to go, and that is Nate Bright Art. Please, if you missed Tiffany Ramin, Pouring Together with Lance Travis, or Cynthia Porter Studios, please take a moment and go back after Nate and visit them. I'll leave all the information down in my description below. And it was lovely having you this evening. I really enjoyed doing abstract this week. It was a great change. Thank you all for coming. This is Donna from Hollywood, California. I'm just finishing up here, and then I'll show you the final result again. But this is absolutely stunning. I really, really enjoyed this, and I love it. And infinity forever. Have a great evening, everyone. Thank you for coming. Friday night with friends. Bye-bye now. Donna from Hollywood, California.